Welcome to Kids Mind, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. Today, we are introducing a new segment known as Kids Science, where we are going to learn about Kenyan Sign Language. So today, I'm your teacher Paul. So let us start learning how to sign alphabets in Kenyan Sign Language. So the first alphabet is letter A. For you to sign letter A, you use your palm like this. Then you fold all fingers, the 4 of them. You remain with the thumb finger facing up. Then you say A. Again, you use your open palm. You fold the 4 fingers. You remain with the thumb finger. Then that is how you sign letter A. So we sign together. Open your palm. Fold the 4 fingers like that. You remain with the thumb. So that, kids, is letter? Yes, correct. That is letter A. Thank you. The next letter we are going to learn how to sign is letter B. Again, you use your palm like this. Then, this time, you fold your thumb finger only. Kids, do you understand? You use your palm like this. You fold your thumb finger only. The 4 fingers facing up. So that you sign letter B. We sign again. Open palm. You fold your thumb finger only. Then that's how you sign letter B. So we sign together, kids. B. Again, B. Thank you. Next letter is letter C. How to sign letter C? You use your palm again like this. But this time, you use your palm. You curve it to be letter C like this. You make sure it is curved. All fingers are curved, okay? So you use your palm, then you curve all the 4 fingers, the thumb finger under the 4 fingers, okay? You make sure you can see the C shape here, okay? This is how you sign letter C. Letter C, C. Kids, open palm, okay? Then you curve all your 4 fingers and the thumb finger under the 4 fingers also curved. Then you make sure you can see the C shape, okay, like this. So that's how you sign letter C. Thank you, kids. The next letter we are going to learn is letter D. Also, you use your palm, and that is the active palm. The active palm means the palm that you use to write with. So, right now, you fold the 4 fingers like this, if you can see, the thumb. Then these 3 fingers, this one, you bring them on top of the thumb finger. From the middle finger to the smallest finger, you bring them up, you bring them to the top of the thumb finger. Then remaining with the pointing finger only. So this is how you sign D. Use your palm, fold your fingers from the middle finger to the smallest, and then you put them on top of the thumb finger. You remain with the pointing finger. Do you understand, kids? We sign again with your palm, fold the 3 fingers, putting them on top of the thumb finger, remaining with the pointing finger. Thank you. So we repeat again from the first alphabet to the 4th alphabet we have learned. So we do again A, open palm, you fold your 4 fingers, remaining with thumb, that is A. Again, A. Next is letter B. Open palm, you fold your thumb finger, remaining with the 4 fingers facing up. That's how you sign B. Again, kids, B. Thank you. Next is letter C. You use your palm, you curve all fingers, okay, like this. Then that's how you sign letter C. We sign again, C. Thank you. Next and the last alphabet is letter D. You use your palm, then from the middle finger to the smallest finger, you bring them on top of the thumb finger, remaining with the pointing finger. That is how you sign D. Thank you. So we start again. We say A, B, C, D. Again, A, B, C, D. Thank you. Clap for yourself. So that's the end of today's lesson. For more lessons, follow us in all our social media platforms at GBS TV Africa, or you send your message to our message number, which is 21144. I have been your teacher Paul. Until we meet again, continue practicing how to sign the alphabet. Bye-bye.